far one is orange. That one is green. Yellow is walking over the top of pink and orange. Red, sorry.
Got one under your leg.
And those two are black and, what's the other one's color? White. And we got blue.
I got purple.
And purple. This is their first day outside. They're not quite sure right now. Lots of little whines right now.